In this video, we're gonna learn how you can use Chrome extensions on Android. There's a link in description. Go to that link with any browsers on your phone. Scroll down on this page and you can install any version here. Personally, I picked the 159.1 version. Tap here and let it download. Open the downloaded file to begin the installation. After the installation of QU browser, let's go to home screen. Let's launch it. Now in order to install the extensions on this browser, we directly gonna go to chromewebstore.google.com. If you zoom in here, we can search for any extension, suppose PDF, Adobe Acrobat, and you'll get the option to add this to Chrome, that means this browser. Okay. Once the extension has been added to this browser, tap on the small three dots at the top right side, scroll down. You're going to find all the installed extensions at the bottom. This one here, Adobe Acrobat, that we just installed. Now you can use this extension just like your Chrome browser on PC. Also, if you want to manage your installed extensions, tap on three dots once again and go to extensions from here. You'll see the list of extensions that you have installed and you can either enable or disable them.